Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, and you're watching GadgetMatch. If you're a fan of this channel, you'll know I always have my Apple Watch on, regardless of what phone it is I'm reviewing. And I know, because I read your comments all the time. And that's why I'm super excited, because today we have a new Apple Watch. This is our Apple Watch Series 5 unboxing and hands-on. I'm really excited, but before we begin, we also have unboxed the iPhone 11, all three models and 3 different colors. You can click over here to watch that video. All right, let's dive in. In typical Apple fashion, it's easy to unbox any of their products. Just look for the tab with the arrow and pull. There you go. Next, you pull on these tabs like so and unfold. Isn't that surprise cool? Inside are 2 boxes. Over here, you actually have the watch itself and you have the band. Now, it's worth pointing out that before, when you went out to buy an Apple Watch, there were certain combinations that you had to choose from and that you were limited to. Now there's a thing called Apple Watch Studio. Let's do that together. Size, 44 millimeters. Case, stainless steel. And band, let's go with Milanese loop. Exactly the package we have right here. The Apple Watch comes in many different flavors. You have aluminum, titanium, stainless steel, and ceramic. And as you know, one of my features of the Apple Watch, there are plenty of bands to choose from. Today, we've got the Milanese loop. Right, let's open up this box first. Lift, there you go. First up is the Apple Watch in this protective casing. And you'll see, based on this red circle, we have the cellular model. Next up, all the paperwork, setup guides, warranty information, but no stickers. Next up, you have the power brick. Again, because you've asked many times in the comments, I have the 3-prong one because I'm in Singapore. Your brick will vary depending on where you buy your Apple Watch. Lastly, it comes with its own magnetic charging cable. You rest your watch on this surface to charge. Okay, now back to the Apple Watch, wrapped in this plush soft cover. Let's slide it out of its case. Ooh, look at that. Stainless steel is shiny. Turn it around and you'll find a sapphire crystal back where the optical heart sensors are located. Side button is here and digital crown over here. Of course, before we can use it, we need a band, and we have a fancy one today. Let's unbox it. Again, you tug on the pull tab to open. Pull this out. Paperwork. Ah, there you go. My very first Milanese loop, also in stainless steel, to match our stainless steel Series 5. And now for the fun part, putting it all together. Just slide it in like so, bring the other end around, and slide it in just like that. And I guess now's the time to take off my Series 4. You served me well. Let's try on the Apple Watch Series 5. You know what, folks? That is very beautiful. It's perfect for when you want to dress up a little. How does it look? Let me know in the comments section below. Setting up the Apple Watch is easy. Turn it on and bring it close to your iPhone. Hit continue. Hold your phone over the watch and scan the pattern. And that's it. Your Apple Watch is paired. The biggest change to the Apple Watch Series 5 is an always-on display. On older watches, after a few seconds of inactivity, your screen goes dark, and you had to raise the watch or tap on the display to bring it to life for you to tell time or read your notifications. On the Series 5 Apple Watch, after a few seconds of inactivity, the display dims and the refresh rate lowers so that the watch face stays on but consumes less power. Apple is promising 18 hours of battery life on the Series 5. Another new feature is a built-in compass. It also works with the Maps app to help you find your way when you're lost. It also measures elevation, perfect for when you go hiking. And by the way, the emergency SOS now lets you make emergency calls in 150 countries, even without an active eSIM. The Apple Watch Series 5 comes with WatchOS 6, which brings with it a host of new features also. A built-in app store, so you can look for and download apps made specifically for the watch straight from the device. a noise app that actively measures background noise and warns you when it gets too loud. And for my lady friends out there, cycle tracking. Nope, not bicycling, but for you to track your periods. And of course, there are the essentials. Staying on top of your fitness and completing those rings, health features like being able to take your own ECG, sending texts and answering calls even without a phone if you have the cellular model, and being able to pay for things using Apple Pay. And that was our Apple Watch Series 5 unboxing and hands-on. We have a lot of Apple content coming your way, including our iPhone 11 camera review coming out on Thursday or Friday. So to make sure you don't miss that video and many others like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.